Okay, so I'm gonna leave this kind of on. I just move it back and forth. 2 of the 3 bolts are out. So one, I got all the cover bolts in their order there so I don't lose them. Just want to make a note. So right here, these 2 holes, where the other 2 of these go, when I just pulled my cover out, it took with it this piece, which I'm not going to pull out right now. There's another hole in there I just pushed it into. But when I pulled the cover off, it came out with this little spacer. Came out with this spacer, and the gears came out. So it looks like the starters, that little one goes to that big one. That big one is the same piece as this one. It connects. So if when you take your cover off, in case maybe the dowel comes out with these little spacers and it drops in your oil, or it just drops on the floor. I'm kind of dumb leaving that there, but whatever. If you lose any pieces, that's how they go back in. So 2 of them, 2 dowels, 2 spacers. Just the gear goes here, the other one there. I feel like that should be pretty self-explanatory if you were putting it back together, but if you're like a YouTube mechanic, like I would consider myself, you might want a point of reference to use before you put stuff back in. So I'm gonna unplug the stator sensor. It doesn't come off here. You unplug it there, and then I'll take the cover off. Gotta take the flywheel out. I kind of messed up, and for some reason I thought that maybe I think I remember seeing this in a YouTube video that, yeah, this was here first, because the chain's all bunched up right there, and I'm doing a new chain, guide rods. So to get all that done, I'm gonna have to take the flywheel out, the gear, take all that out, and then I can do the new chain, new guides, all that. So this is a little bit more in depth than most people should have to go. I dropped the chain in there by accident, but I knew the guide rods would have to be replaced anyway. So in my case, it is what it is. Whatever, I'd have to get in here anyways to do the guides. So gonna keep diving in. I don't think I actually have a flywheel puller, so I might have to come back tomorrow and do that. I shouldn't have to order anything, but I might have to go borrow a puller from a friend, or a like O'Reilly's or AutoZone or something. So see you guys later. Oh no, there are threads here. Yeah, I might, if these aren't like a universal thread, I'm just gonna order a puller. I should have ordered that. I forgot to. Slowly but surely getting this bike done. I'm just surrounded by old other bike parts and junk, so I also don't have much room on this side, so trying to get it done, but slowly but surely.